Once upon a time in a vibrant village, there lived a devoted wife named Meera. Every year, she observed Karwa Chauth, a day when married women fast from sunrise to moonrise for the well-being and longevity of their husbands. As the festival approached, Meera prepared with excitement. She adorned herself in beautiful clothes and jewelry, reflecting her love for her husband, Rohan. The day began with her rising before dawn to eat a small meal, known as sargi, which would sustain her through the day. Throughout the day, Meera busied herself with rituals, visiting friends and relatives, sharing stories, and preparing special treats for the evening. But her heart was set on seeing the moon, for only then could she break her fast. As dusk fell, Meera and the other women gathered in a clearing, their faces lit by the soft glow of lamps. They sang songs and prayed for their husbands' health and happiness. The anticipation grew as the moon began to rise, casting a silvery light over the village. Finally, the moon appeared, and Meera's heart raced. Holding a sieve, she gazed at the moon and then at Rohan, who stood beside her. With love in her eyes, she offered him water to break her fast. Rohan smiled, touched by her devotion, and they celebrated the bond they shared. That night, they exchanged vows of love and commitment, reaffirming their promise to cherish each other. The celebration continued with feasting and joy, as the village came together to honor the strength of love and devotion. Karwa Chauth became not just a ritual for Meera, but a symbol of the deep connection between husband and wife, reminding everyone of the power of love and sacrifice.